If you're watching this video, you want to build strength, and you've probably realized something crucial. The way you start your morning defines your entire day. If you wake up sluggish and unmotivated, your day usually follows that same pattern. But imagine waking up and instantly flooding your system with energy, discipline, and strength while everyone else is still hitting snooze. Today, I'm giving you a protocol to build real momentum physically and mentally every morning. I'm going to give you a 3-phase system to build an elite morning calisthenics routine. This is for the person who's ready to stop making excuses and start building real power. Phase 1, System Ignition, the dynamic warm-up. Your body in the morning is like a cold engine. Revving it hard from the start is the quickest route to injury and frustration. We're not stretching, we're activating. This takes 2 minutes and it's non-negotiable. It tells your nervous system, your joints, and your muscles that it's time to perform. Here's exactly what you'll do. 1. Cat-cow. 30 seconds on hands and knees. Gently alternate between arching your back up toward the ceiling and dipping it down toward the floor. Feel your spine waking up. 2 thoracic rotations. 30 seconds per side. Stay on hands and knees. Place one hand behind your head. Rotate your elbow toward your opposite wrist, then open toward the ceiling. Feel your upper back open up. 3. World's greatest stretch. 60 seconds. Step into a deep lunge. Place your opposite hand on the ground and drive your elbow toward your ankle. Then twist and reach up to the sky. This opens your hips, hamstrings, and upper back all at once. 2 minutes and your body is awake and ready. I have a question for you. Everyone trains for a reason, right? So, what's yours? Confidence, energy, that next level version of yourself? Type it in the comments. Phase 2, Upper Body Power. Alright, you're activated. Time to forge some real upper body strength. The push-up isn't just another exercise, it's the gold standard for upper body strength, and it scales perfectly to your current level. Here's your upgraded routine. Start with wide grip push-ups, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Focus on controlled, smooth reps, straight line from head to heels, elbows angled about 45 degrees, chest to the floor. Perform these push-ups to near failure, stopping just before your form starts to slip. Immediately transition into standard push-ups with perfect form, and push out as many extra reps as possible. That's 1 set. Rest to 90 seconds, then repeat 3 more times. This approach steadily challenges your muscles without overwhelming you, building strength you can feel every day. Phase 3, the power core, legs and midline finisher. Now we build your foundation. Your legs and core are your body's engine block. Strong legs and a solid core aren't just for looks, they're your body's powerhouse. Here's your superset, meaning there is no rest between exercises. First, tempo squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Lower yourself slowly for 3 seconds. Hold at the bottom for 1 second, then explode up. Feel your quads and glutes burn. 2. Hollow body hold, 3 sets to failure. Immediately lie down, press your lower back into the ground. Lift legs and shoulders slightly off the floor, forming a shallow curve. Hold as long as possible until your core is shaking. Rest after each superset. Complete 3 sets total. This will give you rock-solid stability and powerful legs. And that's it. In under 15 minutes, you've done more for your mind and body than most do all day. You've not just worked out, you've built discipline, resilience, and momentum to dominate everything else you face today. Your mission tomorrow morning. 1. Ignite your system. 2 minutes dynamic activation. 2. Upper body power. 4 sets push-up progression. 3rd, power core. 3 superset squats and hollow holds. If this protocol is what you've been looking for, subscribe right now and hit the bell. I'm dropping powerful no BS guides like this every single week to build the strongest, most capable version of yourself. Now, go out and own your day. I'll see you in the next video. If you're watching this video right now, it's because you want to build strength. Not just physical strength, but mental strength, discipline, and control over your life. Somewhere deep inside you, you already understand something most people ignore, the way you start your morning, say. The direction for everything that follows. Think about it honestly. When you wake up feeling slow, tired, and unmotivated, that feeling doesn't disappear. It follows you into your work, your conversations, your decisions, and your habits. A weak morning almost always creates a weak day. And weak days, repeated over time, quietly shape a weak life. Now imagine the opposite. Imagine waking up and immediately taking control. Imagine flooding your body with energy, intent, and momentum, while everyone else is still negotiating with their alarm, still scrolling their phone, still hitting snooze and delaying responsibility. Imagine starting your day already knowing you did something hard, something disciplined, something powerful. That's what this is about. Today I'm giving you a simple but elite protocol to build real momentum every single morning, both physically and mentally. This isn't hype. This isn't motivation that fades by noon. This is a system, a structure, a repeatable process that turns mornings into a weapon instead of a weakness. This routine is built for the person who is done making excuses and ready to build real power. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't need hours of time. You just need the willingness to show up and execute. When you wake up, your body is like a cold engine. If you try to push hard immediately, you don't get results. You get stiffness, injury, and frustration. That's why the first thing you do is activation, not stretching. You're waking up your nervous system, your joints and your muscles, and telling them it's time to perform. You start on your hands and knees, moving slowly between arching your back toward the ceiling and dipping it down toward the floor. You breathe deeply and feel your spine wake up one segment at a time. This isn't rushed, it's intentional. Then you stay in that position and place one hand behind your head, rotating your elbow down toward your opposite wrist, and then opening up toward the ceiling. You feel your upper back unlock, your posture improve, and your shoulders prepare for work. After that, you step into a deep lunge, placing the opposite hand on the ground, driving your elbow toward your ankle, then rotating and reaching up toward the sky. In one movement, your hips, hamstrings, hip flexors, and upper back all come alive. 2 minutes. That's all it takes. And now your body is awake. But let me ask you something, because everyone trains for a reason. Why do you train? Is it confidence, energy, strength, discipline? Is it becoming the version of yourself you know you're capable of being? Whatever your reason is, don't keep it vague. Name it, own it, say it out loud or write it down, because clarity fuels consistency. Once you're activated, it's time to build strength, real strength. And there's no better tool for that than the push-up. It's not basic, it's not outdated, it's the standard. It builds your chest, shoulders, arms, core, and mental toughness all at on CE, and it adapts perfectly to where you are right now. You start with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Your body stays in a straight line from head to heels. No sagging hips, no shortcuts. You lower yourself with control, chest to the floor, elbows angled naturally, and you push back up smoothly. You do these reps until you're close to failure, stopping just before your form starts to break. Then, without resting, you bring your hands into a standard push-up position and continue pushing out clean reps for as long as you can. This isn't about ego, it's about quality. That's one set. You rest for about a minute, maybe a little more. Then you do it again, 4 total sets. Over time, this builds strength you can feel in your posture, your confidence, and your ability to handle pressure. After that, you build the foundation. Your legs and your core are your engine. They don't just support movement, they generate it. Strong legs and a solid core improve everything, from athletic performance to posture to mental resilience. You drop into squats, lowering yourself slowly for 3 full seconds, holding at the bottom, then exploding upward with power. Every rep is controlled, every rep matters. Your legs burn, but you stay focused. When you finish, you immediately lie down on your back, pressing your lower back into the ground, lifting your legs and shoulders slightly off the floor, holding your body tight in a hollow position. You breathe through the shake. You stay. Air until your core gives out. That combination is repeated 3 times. No rushing, no skipping, just work, and then you're done. In under 15 minutes, you've done more for your mind and body than most people do all day. You didn't just exercise, you proved something to yourself. You built discipline, you built resilience, you created momentum, and momentum changes everything. Tomorrow morning, your mission is simple. Wake up and activate your body. Build upper body strength. Strengthen your legs and core. Then carry that energy into the rest of your day. If this protocol is what you've been looking for, subscribe and hit the bell. I release powerful, no-nonsense guides like this every single week to help you build the strongest, most capable version of yourself.